Are you an artist who has a dream of sharing your art skills with others? Also have a sustainable income every month? If so, I have something incredible for you. I know how frustrating it can be as a struggling artist who is not even making enough income for their survival, and maybe you have tried several different income streams, including selling your art and also selling your prints, entering into galleries. All these things takes time, and if you want to start earning money right away, teaching can be the best way of doing it. I know how frustrating it can be to feel like your art skills are undervalued. Maybe you are a passionate artist who is skillful in painting, but you are still struggling to establish yourself as an art teacher. Maybe you have fear of technology, or you might have faced some rejections. Maybe you have announced your classes before nobody have ended up in your classes. I am Lavanya Siddeshwar. I am a portrait drawing artist and an art educator. I have started doing portraits in 2018. So as everybody, first income source I have found was doing commissioned art. I started taking commission work. The fact is, doing commissioned artworks involves lot of time in it. So maybe in a month we can create one or two artworks. That was the case with me as well. So if I was continuing just doing commission works, I couldn't have survived for these many years. Whatever the money that was earning through commissioned artwork, it was only enough for me to buy art supplies. And how can I think of taking it as a full-time profession? So that is when I realized I have passion for teaching art. Why can't I share my experience and my learnings with others? Like that, I started making tutorials on YouTube. I started sharing whatever the knowledge that I had. So eventually, I started getting inquiries for my art classes. Even though I was a skillful artist, I had so many limiting beliefs back then. I used to say that I am a self-taught artist. I have not learned art professionally anywhere else. How can I teach this to other people? By thinking like this, I have stopped myself for launching my online art classes. But my subscribers and also followers on social media were kept asking me for art classes. Upon their request, I have announced my first workshop in 2020. Back then, I did not know how to price my art courses. Because of this, I used to underprice my courses. Because I was underpricing my courses, to make that monthly income, I had to do so many live classes. That has created so much burden on myself. In a day, I used to take nearly 6 classes. I used to feel exhausted, and also I realized that I was doing the same thing repeatedly in each and every class. Then I thought of making it as a pre-recorded video course. So once I have learned about pre-recorded video courses, I got so much time into doing my art, and also I can conduct even more workshops. I can come up with the creative ideas because I don't have to do the repeated stuff again and again. So like this, I started increasing my income streams. Along with the commissioned artworks, I started conducting online workshops, and also I have done several pre-recorded video courses. So this has led me to get 6-figure income every month. Also with minimum effort that I used to do in the beginning. When I started sharing about this on social media, I found that many other artists in the same field, they don't know these strategies behind conducting online workshops, including the pricing of their courses, marketing their courses well, and also expanding their income streams. I have seen even artist doesn't know how to attract the right kind of people through social media. I can feel your pain if you are in that stage right now, and I genuinely want to share my knowledge and my learnings, whatever I have learned from past 5 years, so that it can reduce your struggle and you can also start building six-figure income streams. That is the reason I have designed this how to build six-figure online art teaching profession, a masterclass for all the art enthusiasts and who wants to make this art as their full-time profession by teaching art online. In this masterclass, I can teach you all the strategies behind building a six-figure art teaching business for yourself. Here, you will be learning from the mindset shift that you need to have to become a successful art teacher. Because having skills is one different thing, but if you don't know how to use the skills or if you don't know how to market your skills, that is not going to be beneficial for you. So here in this workshop, you will be learning how to attract the right audience through social media to get students in your classes whenever you announce something. Here you will also understand what are the equipment that you need to conduct online art classes or even doing pre-recorded video courses. Here you will also learn how to create your course structure, how to name your courses. Also, you will learn how to price your courses to get maximum admissions whenever you announce your course. And there are hundreds of students who has attended this workshop and they are finding amazing results. Here I can show one of my students, Rixlin, when she has come to me first in this how to build six-figure online art teaching business masterclass. She was completely beginner, but she has so much passion towards building an art profession. But she had that limiting belief that only few people will have that God-given gift. Only those people can teach art online. But after attending this workshop, she has realized that anybody can learn these techniques and skills of teaching art online and also marketing part of it. After attending the workshop, she has found huge transformation in herself, and after following everything whatever that I have taught in this workshop, now she is successfully conducting online workshops and she is able to make sustainable income through art profession. If you want to transform your career from being a struggling artist to thriving artist, this is the right decision for you. Register for this how to build six-figure art teaching business workshop, and you can transform your profession within short period of time without wasting your precious time in experimenting different things that doesn't work. You will also get the community access to other enthusiastic art teachers who wants to build their art profession. So this is going to be a really supporting environment for you to build your art teaching profession. Register for this masterclass by just paying 399 rupees. This is the limited period offer that I am giving for all the enthusiastic art teachers out there, and this offer is not going to be forever. So make use of it, and I'll see you in the webinar.